Hello everyone. Welcome to Meet Me Techie YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate how to create interactive worksheet in Microsoft Excel. You don't want to correct the worksheet, it will automatically give you the correct and wrong answers. This is a sample worksheet made with drop-down, fill in the blanks and multiple response questions. Whenever I select correct answer from drop-down list, its color will change to green if the answer is correct. In fill in the blanks type question, when the user typing the correct answer, one tick mark will come, otherwise cross mark will be displayed. In checkbox questions, green color will be displayed for correct answer and red for wrong selection. Now we can see how to make drop-down questions. Open the new sheet. Copy the question. Paste it. Adjust the width and height. This is the cell where we are going to insert the drop-down list with options. Next, go to Data. Then click Data Validation, then select List from Allow. Next, we have to specify the range of values. Either you can type the options separated with comma, or else you type the possible options somewhere on cells and select that range. Repeat the same procedure for other questions. Next, we will see how to make this tick and cross mark for answers. Copying the question. This is the place where user will type the answer. Somewhere on right, I am typing the correct answer for that question. Now I am going to put the formula. Formula starting with equal to symbol. Then if condition. In if I am specifying the user answer cell equal to the correct answer cell, then in double quotes P. Put comma, then in double quotes O. Now you can see that whenever I'm typing the wrong answer, letter O is displaying, else P is displaying. Next is the simple trick we are going to apply. Select the cells like showing on screen. Change the font to Bindings 2. In this font, the letter P and O will display as tick and cross mark. Very simple trick. Now last question, tab checkbox. Let's see how to insert checkboxes. If you want to insert checkbox, there should be Developer tab. Go to File first, then Options, then Customize ribbon, then check Developer checkbox. Click OK. Now you can see the Developer tab. Click it. Click Insert. There you can see checkbox icon. Click and draw wherever you need a checkbox. Change the name as Answer. Repeat the steps. Now we are going to connect checkbox with one cell. For that, press Ctrl key and click on checkbox using mouse or touchpad. Then release Ctrl key and type equal to symbol in formula bar. Then click wherever you planned for linking this checkbox. Then press Enter key. Next, check the correct answer checkboxes and make their value to true. Next, we are going to apply conditional formatting to change the color. Click on each checkbox cell one by one and go to Home tab. Select Conditional Formatting. Click New Rule. Then use a formula to set a new rule. Select the range as answer. Then apply the color code. Repeat this for other checkboxes too. If all done, select the hiding area and change the font color to white, or you can hide the cell's columns. Finally, go to View and uncheck the rules. Your worksheet is ready.